Welcome back, guys, and this is my first ever unboxing video, and I'm delighted to say that this box of products has come from a company called Gloss Fuel. So I've already cracked open the box because I don't have a knife, so it was a bit messy. So first thing we're going to notice, we've got a little booklet from Gloss Fuel. In fact, we've got two, and basically this is the product guide, and this is a really nice addition to this kit of products. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of the stuff out, and then I'll just chat along about the products and things like that. So first things first, Gloss Fuel. They're a new startup company. They're from the northwest of England, very close to me, up near me. So I've met up with them just recently. We had a pint, we had a chat, and talked all things detailing and such like. So basically, these products are a bespoke formulation for themselves. The chemist they work with is really enthusiastic about these products, and they're absolutely delighted with what they've created. A lot of work's gone in behind the scenes to get us where we are now, which is a box full of products. They've tested so many different variations of products to get to what they wanted. So the main focus for Gloss Fuel, other than have some great products, is to be environmentally friendly, and they've got these refill packs which are 75% less plastic. So we'll get to them as we're going. So first things first, we've got all the triggers. So these black triggers, fantastic quality triggers. A lot of companies use these, they're great. But what we do have is we've also got these yellow foaming triggers. We've got two of them, so we must have two products that are foaming products. So we'll set them to the side. I'll get all this packaging out because it's really well packaged, and then we'll get to the products. So we're going to start with the gloss enhancing shampoo. So this is one of the refuel packs, which are 75% less plastic, and ultimately much better for the environment. At the minute they've only got two products in the range that are in these packets, but there will be more to come. So yeah, gloss enhancing shampoo, presented absolutely lovely, full clear instructions, all the precautions and the danger, the PPE kind of stuff, and anything that can cause any reactions, which is great to see companies putting all of that stuff on the product. Product description, directions for use. So it basically says 25 to 35 ml in 15-20 litres of warm water. So really well concentrated, and we'll have a little, we'll crack it open, we'll have a little smell. That's lovely, like a marzipan scent. So yeah, there's the shampoo. We'll pop that on the table. Next up, again, the Refi Pouch. This is the pH neutral snow foam. So 50 ml to 500 ml of water, or 100 ml to 500 ml of water. I like the way they're using the guide as 500 ml, because you don't need a litre of product in your snow foam lamps unless you're cleaning a double decker bus. So that's cool. So let's open this up, see what it smells like. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. That's watermelon. I have a lot of watermelon detailing products I've come across. If you have, pop it in a comment there. So there's the refuel products. Just one other thing on the gloss enhancing shampoo. That is the only shampoo they do currently, but I believe there is a pure shampoo in testing at the moment, so that should be coming soon. And I'll get on to the reasons why they've started with a gloss enhancing shampoo. So bottle products, we've got quick detailer, so lovely green writing and stuff on there. Again, great description, directions for use, QR codes as well, so you can get straight to the website. Let's have a snifter of that one. That's, I think, like a bubblegum scent. Really nice, smells awesome. So yeah, QD. So that's the gloss enhancing QD. What else have we got? I was going to do these in a sort of roundabout order, but I'm just literally pulling them out as we go. Next up, we've got the gloss enhancing drying aid. So I do like a good drying aid. Basically dilute into a trigger sprayer, into a foam cannon, while the vehicle's wet, just spray it on, allow it to sit for a few seconds and then rinse it off. Just allows, as a drying aid, it just allows the water to run off to make it easier to dry and safer as well. Let's have a smell. Oh, that's like banana scented. It smells like those foam bananas that we used to eat when I was a kid. So that's why that one's yellow. Again, great instructions, all the information on there you need, and it does say you can use it in a pump or a trigger sprayer, 50ml to 500 water, snow foam lance, 50ml to 500 water. So the reason they've gone for the gloss enhancing shampoo is it couples up with these two products here, the QD and the drying aid, to really lift the gloss levels on the car. So it's like a little trio of products, and when used in tandem with each other in combination, I've been told it leaves an absolutely stunning finish, so looking forward to trying them out. Okay, next up we've got premium glass cleaner. Again, nice instructions. I love these bottles, the branding's great, like a metallic sort of fuel can logo in the background, really bonny. Interior dash detailer. So this is a interior detailer, fresh citrus scented interior cleaner and hard surface detailer. So it cleans dust, dirt, fingerprints, light soiling from hard surfaces, and it leaves behind anti-static protection with a mild citrus fragrance. So basically it'll leave a nice fresh clean OEM appearance, which is perfect for me. I'm not massive on interior dressings and stuff like that. They can sort of look a bit too much, and yeah, it smells lovely. If you're using interior products, you do want them to smell nice. So that's that one. And to go with that one, we've got the interior spot clean shampoo. So this is great on fabrics, but it can also be used on hard surfaces as well. And it's an oxy cleaner. So yeah, just spray onto a microfiber towel, fold it into quarters, wipe over hard plastic surface until clean, and then buff dry. That's the instructions for hard surfaces. If you're using it on fabric, upholstery and carpet, then it says to vacuum the area, test on an inconspicuous area, spray directly onto the fabric, upholstery or carpet, allow the foam to dwell for a few moments, agitate with a brush or microfiber towel until the area is clean, and then just vacuum off the residue. So that's one of the products we're going to be using the foam trigger with. And next up we've got the citrus wheel and tyre cleaner, which I believe is the product for the other foaming trigger. I've seen this in action and it looks absolutely fantastic. So yeah, it's an acid free wheel cleaner, ready to use, this one. So obviously we've had a few dilutable products, but this one's ready to use, which is fine. And again, great directions about using detailing brushes, in a wheelbarrow brushes, and scrub the tyre sidewall with a stiff bristle brush. So the instructions are absolutely brilliant. They cover all bases. So yeah, I'm probably not going to smell that. I'm guessing it's a citrus scented product. 3 more left. We've got the conditioning tyre serum. So obviously after you've washed them with the citrus tyre and wheel cleaner, then you want to apply your tyre dressing when the tyres are dry. So this is a serum, which is quite a popular style of product now. It's like a creamy consistency. The product's blue, hence why that's blue. And the beauty is with these tyre serums, they nourish rubber and they soak into the rubber. So you know, you can apply a couple of layers to give you a shiny finish if that's what you're into. So looking forward to trying that, because I have tried a couple of other of these serums, so I'm looking forward to testing this against them. Next up, we've got iron forelight remover, purple labelling. What other colour you're going to use for iron forelight? It's not a product you want to get mixed up with your QD or your interior cleaner, that's for sure. So yeah, just the usual forelight remover product. Don't use it on Hot Wheels, brakes and bodyworks. So yeah, no problem with that. The other thing to note is there's a website link at the bottom there for the MSDS sheets. So basically that's really important, because if you sell for one of your children or something swallows this or gets it in their eye or on the skin or whatever, and they have a reaction to it, then having the MSDS sheets available at first hand is important, because if you do need to see medical attention, then they need to see what is in the product to determine what kind of treatment you're going to get. So it's really important that they're available. And then finally, we've got the citrus pre-wash. A bit odd that it's the last product we pick out, because it's the first product you're going to use on the bodywork. So this one, you can dilute it 50ml to a litre for light soiling, 75ml to a litre for medium soiling, heavy soiling 100ml to a litre. So yeah, just the usual, dilute it down, spray it all over your lower halves, leave it to dwell for as long as possible depending on temperature, and then rinse that away, or you can layer it over with a snow foam. What I like to do is leave it for 5 minutes or so depending on temperature on its own, and then I'll put the snow foam over the top for another 5 minutes just to aid that dwell time, to give this a good 10 minutes if we can. Yep, smells like a citrus pre-wash. So that's nice. With the, again, orange, it's a citrus pre-wash. Looking forward to using these products. I do believe that this is one of the most exciting brands that have come around in the last 12 months. Obviously we see a lot of pop-up brands in this industry, but I believe that Gloss Fuel may, well, I've not tried the products yet, so we'll see, but I think they may have what it takes to stick around. Having spoke to Quentin from Gloss Fuel, his passion for the brand is absolutely fantastic. He really wants to push the refuel packets for, you know, use less plastic, which is great, and I'm sure he's got a few other things up his sleeve as well. So for me, that's something I want to get behind. There is other brands out there with eco-friendly credentials, and I really like that. I think that it's good to see more and more brands going in that route. It's not competition for each other, it's just doing the right thing. So yeah, the more that can do that, the better in my opinion, and really sort of do the bit to use much less plastic. So that's the products. We've got them all out. They look fantastic, and I cannot wait to use them on a test video. I am going to use them beforehand just to make sure I get to grips with what they're all about first. And I cannot wait to get them into test and show you guys what they are capable of, because I've heard a lot of good stuff. Let's see if they live up to the potential.